Welcome to day 29's Build Habit session. Today we are going to do an interesting task, that is play role or playing games. That is, we are going to do the role play. That is, you can stimulate scenarios like ordering food, booking tickets, or attending interviews. And example scenarios are the food ordering, that is ordering food. You can talk with the attender who is attending you in the restaurant, or you can even act like talking to the chef who prepared good food for you. Okay, so see the conversation, example conversation given here. You, hi, I would like to order a cheeseburger and a Coke, please. Server, sure, would you like fries with that? You, yes, make it a medium combo, please. Server, coming right up. That is, you are talking with the server. That is the person who is coming to take orders in front of you. You are talking with that. Again, you can continue the conversation by adding more sentences. So try doing that. That is, you are the person who is ordering, and the attender or the person waiter is also you. So you can make a healthy conversation within yourself itself. You can write and you can then speak. You can look into the mirror and speak. Anything is fine. So similar situation is like booking tickets. You are going to a ticket booking station, and you're conversing there. How can you do that? That is, you are speaking first. Hi, I'd like to book 2 tickets for the 5 p.m. show. Agent, sure, which seat would you prefer? Front, middle, or back rows? You, middle row, please. How much will that be? Agent, that will be $20 per ticket. Oh, great. Here is my card. That is, you are making a transaction for booking tickets for the, let it be a TV show, or let it be a travel, or book a ticket for traveling, or anything. You can do that. You can like continue the conversation like this. An example is given here. And the next one is, you are going and attending an interview. That is very important for you people, right? It will be useful for you. First one is interviewer. Interviewer means who is taking interview to you. So that is, can you tell me a little about yourself? Person is asking, can you introduce yourself? And you are replying, sure, I am a marketing graduate with 2 years of experience in digital campaigns. An interviewer, why do you want to work with our company? Interviewer asking, why you have applied for this company? And you are replying, I admire your innovative strategies and think I can contribute to your team's success. That is, the person is replying that I like the way you are making the campaigns or the strategies I like, so I can make good contributions to your team, and let's work together and be successful. That's the reply from the uh, reply that you can give to the interviewer. Okay, so likewise you can construct more sentences that is apt for an interview, and try doing that. This is very very important. Welcome to day 29's vocabulary session. So today we have a few words here. Let me tell you what are the meanings of those words and also the example sentences given here. First word is although. Although is used to introduce a contrast or a concession. That means example sentences include, although it was raining, we decided to go hiking. That is, although it was raining, it was already raining, but we decided for going hike. And the next example, that's brave of you. And the person is telling that, yeah, that decision is a brave thing. And the next example sentence is, although I was tired, I finished the assignment on time. That's dedication. One person is telling that I was tired already, but I finished the assignment. And the listener is telling, yeah, that is a dedication from your end. Now the next word is even though. Even though means used to emphasize a contrast or unexpected result despite a certain fact. That is unexpected thing that we usually tell unexpected thing by using even though. So let's see the examples and understand more clearly. Even though it was freezing outside, she went for a run. That is, that freezing, that climate change immediately, that was unexpected. But when she planned for going out for a run, that time the climate was very good. But immediately, climate changed. It was freezing altogether. So, but even though it was freezing, she went out for a run. And next sentence, he won the competition even though he had little time to prepare. That is, he was not having time to prepare, but he did well, and he won the competition. It was not expected actually, but it happened. Now, here is a key difference between even though and although. Even though is generally used when you want to emphasize a stronger or more surprising contrast. That is, more stronger argument is given important while telling using this usage. And there is a surprising contrast is used here. That is, if you want to tell something surprising, we usually use this even though usage, and although is slightly more formal and is often used a neutral way to introduce a contrast, both grammatically correct, but even though tends to convey more surprise or emphasis than although. Got it. That is, even though is usually used to tell something unexpected, surprising thing, but it is not the other one. Although is some kind of formal way of telling. That is the difference. And some other usages are given here. The next one is ever since. Ever since means from a specific point in past until now. Started in the past time and now also there, or until this time. That is the usage ever since. And let's see the examples. Ever since I moved from here, I loved the weather. It's nice, isn't it? One person is telling like from what time, like I moved to this place from 2012. Now till now it's very good, the climate is very good. That is it. And the next example sentence is I have been practicing yoga ever since I joined the gym. That's a great habit to maintain. Right from the time I joined the gym, that is in the past times, and I practice yoga from that time itself. And now the next word is unless. Unless is used to state a condition that must be met for something to happen. Example sentences are I won't attend the meeting unless it's absolutely necessary. Fair enough. Let me confirm. I won't attend the meeting. That is, unless it is necessary, I won't attend the meeting. If it is necessary, I will attend. That is a direct way of telling. And the next one, you won't pass the exam unless you study hard. If you study hard, you will win the exam. Otherwise, unless you study, you will not pass the exam. And the true, I'll start preparing right away. I'll start preparing right from now. That is the usage. And next word is until. Until is used to show a particular point in time. That is, example sentences are I waited until midnight for your call. I waited until midnight. Till midnight I waited. I'm so sorry for the delays. I'm really sorry for the delay made towards you. The next sentence is I won't leave until the presentation is finished. Thanks for staying back and helping out. Till I finish, or till you finish the presentation, I'll be there with you. Until you finish the presentation, I'll be here for you. That is the usage. And the next word is alike. Alike means similar to each other or in the same way. We usually use this in our conversations, right? But we don't know, or we actually don't get at times this particular word. Example sentences are the twins look so alike, I can't tell them apart. That's common with identical twins. That is, two children, they are twins and they look so similar, they are close enough, they are looking so similar in their looks, in their behavior, everything is close, so they can't identify between them, they can't distinguish between them. That's a common thing with identical twins. And the next example sentence is their work habits are alike, both are very meticulous. That's why they make a great team. There's talking about two people and they are telling that their work habits, both of them work like alike. That is, they are having similar way of doing the work. That's why they are having a great team together. That is what the using the word alike the sentence is framed. Calling activity for day 29, and the topic is the importance of education. That is, you can talk about the importance of education, why it is important to you, and you can share how it has shaped your life and future prospects.